everyone, and welcome back to Ms. English Podcast, where learning English is easy, fun, and full of everyday conversation. I'm Chloe.
Hello, Chloe, and hello to all our wonderful listeners tuning in again. It's such a pleasure to be here today.
It really is. How are you doing today, Ethan?
I'm feeling great, thank you. I had a big breakfast this morning. Eggs, toast, and of course, a large coffee.
A big coffee, always a great way to start the day. I'm feeling fantastic too, and very excited for today's topic.
Me too. So, what are we talking about today, Chloe?
Today's topic is daily English conversation practice.
What a fantastic and very important topic.
Yes, we'll explore easy and natural ways to practice English every single day in real-life situations.
I love that. Small talks, simple sentences, real communication.
Exactly. But before we begin, we have a little request for our lovely listeners.
Yes, we do. If you enjoy our podcast and you're learning with us, please take just 1 second to click that like button.
Yes, give us a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Miss English Podcast. It helps us grow and create more lessons for you.
And of course, please share this episode with a friend who's also learning English.
Thank you, everyone. Your support means the world to us.
Okay, Chloe, daily conversation. Where do we begin?
Let's start with something everyone does, getting a coffee.
Perfect choice. I can't start my day without one.
Same here. It's the perfect situation to practice polite and natural English.
All right, let's act it out. You work at the coffee shop, and I'm the customer.
Okay, ready? Let's go. Hello. Welcome. What can I get for you today?
Hi there. Can I have one coffee, please?
Sure. Would you like a hot coffee or an iced coffee?
It's a sunny day. I'll take an iced coffee, please.
Great choice. What size would you like? We have small, medium, and large.
I'll have a medium, please.
Okay, one medium iced coffee. Would you like milk with that?
No, thank you. Just black.
No problem. Anything else for you? Maybe a cookie or a muffin?
A cookie sounds nice. Oh, wait. Do you have banana bread?
Let me check. I'm so sorry. We don't have banana bread today.
Oh, that's okay. Just the chocolate cookie, please.
Right. So that's one medium black iced coffee and one chocolate cookie.
Yes, that's right. How much is it?
Your total is $6.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here's your cookie. Your coffee will be ready in about 1 minute.
Thanks.
One medium iced coffee. That's for you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye.
And scene.
Wow, that was great, Chloe. See? That's a full and friendly conversation.
Yes, and the language is simple but powerful. One coffee, please. Do you have? I'm sorry, we don't have. How much is it? Here you are.
These are some of the most useful everyday phrases.
Absolutely. And don't forget, please and thank you make every conversation better.
Okay, we've got coffee. What's next?
Let's try shopping for clothes.
Ooh, I like that. My turn to be the shop assistant.
Perfect. I'm the customer this time.
Hello, can I help you today?
Hi. Yes, please. I'm looking for a t-shirt.
The t-shirts are right over here. What color do you like?
I like blue or green.
Here's a very nice blue one. Look at this.
Oh yes, that's a beautiful color. I love it.
What size are you? Small, medium, large?
I'm a medium, please.
Here you go.
Thanks. Can I try it on?
Of course, the fitting room is just over there.
Okay, I tried it on. It's perfect. I really love the color.
It looks great on you.
Thank you. How much is it?
This t-shirt is $15.
Okay, I'll take it.
Great. Will you pay with cash or card?
With card, please.
All right, all done. Here's your t-shirt in a bag.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a lovely day.
You too. Bye.
We're excellent shoppers, Chloe.
We really are. Those phrases, can I help you? I'm looking for. Can I try it on? How much is it? I'll take it are incredibly useful. Now, what if I'm lost?
Ah, a common situation. Asking for directions.
Yes, this one can be a bit scary at first.
True, but remember, start with excuse me. It's polite and friendly.
Right. Excuse me, I'm lost. Can you help me?
That's perfect. Or, excuse me, where is the train station? Where is the museum? Or, where is the bathroom? A very important question.
Very true.
Let's practice.
Excuse me, where is the train station?
Oh, it's easy. Go straight, then turn left. The station is on your right.
Go straight, turn left, it's on the right. Got it. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. See? Not so scary.
Right. Most people are kind and happy to help if you ask politely.
Okay, we've practiced shopping, directions, and coffee. What's next?
How about meeting a new person, like at a party or a new class?
Ooh, yes. That one can make people nervous.
It can, but it doesn't have to. Let's try it.
All right. We're at a party. We don't know each other yet.
Hello, my name is Chloe.
Hi, Chloe. I'm Ethan. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Are you enjoying the party?
Yes, it's very nice. The music is great.
I agree. So, do you live around here?
Not exactly. I'm visiting. I live in the next town. What about you?
I live nearby. What do you do, Ethan?
I'm a teacher. And you?
I'm a writer.
Wow, a writer. Wow, a writer. That sounds so interesting. Isn't that why you?
Thank you. See, we're already having a conversation.
Yes. Just a few simple questions. Name, job, place, and you're connecting.
And my favorite topic, hobbies.
Great one. People love talking about hobbies.
So, Ethan, what do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I love to read books and play the guitar.
You play the guitar? That's amazing. I love music.
Thank you. What about you, Chloe?
I like painting and going hiking on weekends.
Hiking sounds great. We should go together sometime.
That sounds like a fun idea. See, hobbies make conversation easy and friendly.
Okay, now what about making plans with a friend?
Perfect. Let's use the hobbies we just talked about.
Ring, 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 ring.
Hello.
Hi, Chloe. It's Ethan. How are you?
Oh, hi, Ethan. I'm great. How are you?
Doing well. Are you free on Saturday?
Let me think. Yes, I'm free in the afternoon. Why?
The weather's beautiful. Do you want to go to the park?
That sounds wonderful. I'd love to.
Great. What time is good for you?
Is 2 p.m. okay?
Perfect. Where should we meet?
Let's meet at the big clock tower near the park entrance.
Got it. Saturday, 2 p.m. I'm excited.
Me too. See you then.
Bye, Chloe. And that's how easy it is to make plans.
Yes. Phrases like, are you free on, do you want to, and let's meet at are super handy.
What if I'm not free, though?
Let's try.
Ring, ring.
Hello?
Hi, Chloe. Are you free on Saturday?
Oh, I'm so sorry, Ethan. I'm busy on Saturday. I'm visiting my family.
No problem. What about Sunday?
Sunday is good. I'm free then.
Perfect. Let's go to the park on Sunday instead.
Great plan.
Now for one of the easiest topics, the weather.
Yes, the classic conversation starter.
You're waiting for a bus. You can just say, it's a beautiful day today, isn't it?
And the other person might say, yes, it's sunny and warm.
Or if it's cold, you can say, bruh, it's so cold today.
I know, I need my big coat.
Or, I can't believe this rain.
Yes, it's raining so much. I hope it stops soon.
And just like that, you've had a full conversation.
It's simple and friendly. Everyone loves talking about the weather.
We've covered so many conversations: coffee, shopping, directions, meeting people, hobbies, plans, and the weather.
That's right. Now let's practice ending a conversation politely.
Yes, you can't just walk away.
Exactly. You can say, well, I have to go now, or it was nice talking to you.
Then add something kind. Have a nice day. See you soon. Or enjoy your evening.
My favorite is, have a great weekend.
That always sounds cheerful.
Wow, Ethan, our time is almost up.
Oh, you're right. Time really flies when we're learning and laughing.
Well, Ethan, it was very nice to talk with you today.
Same here, Chloe. I feel more confident already.
And we hope all our listeners do too. Remember, the most important thing is to try.
Yes. Don't be afraid to speak. People are kind and happy to help.
A simple hello and a smile are the best way to start any conversation.
Exactly.
Well, that's all the time we have for today's episode of Ms. English Podcast.
Thank you so much for listening and practicing with us.
Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this episode with your friends.
And we have a question for you.
Yes, tell us in the comments, where do you practice your English? Oh, look, basically,
At a cafe? At work? With friends at the park?
we'd love to read your stories. Writing in the comments is great practice too.
It really is.
Okay, I have to go now.
Okay, Chloe. Have a wonderful day.
You too, Ethan.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye for now. See you in the next episode.